Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to buy on Uniswap with Metamask. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. First of all, you need to launch your Metamask application, then tap on the browser tab in the bottom. After that, on the home page you will be able to see the decentralized exchanges option. So you need to tap on it and scroll down. Now you will be able to see Uniswap among the list. So you just have to select Uniswap and then you will be redirected on Uniswap. Now once you are over here, the first thing that you need to do is to obviously connect your Metamask wallet with it. So tap on the connect button and select Metamask, then tap on the connect button again and you will be able to connect your Metamask wallet with it. Now you need to make sure that you have enough Ethereum in your Metamask account to bear the gas fees on Uniswap. Once this step is done, we can start the swapping process. So here you just have to tap on select token and you can select the token from this list, or if you have any other tokens contract address, then you can even paste it over here in the search bar in the top so that you could find that particular coin over here. Let's say I want to swap my Ethereum with DAI, so I have selected DAI over here. Now you need to enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to swap to DAI. After that, it will show you the gas fees and bunch of other information associated with this transaction. So you need to tap on the swap option and follow further instructions in order to buy DAI with the help of Ethereum that were in your Metamask account. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.